In this video, I'm going to teach you how to recharge Claro in Brazil. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To recharge a Claro SIM in Brazil, you have various different methods. I'm going to showcase three methods that I believe will make this process very simple. The main one is by using the website. So if you visit claro.com.br, you can sign into your account. So go to Minha Claro at the top right corner of the screen, and upon clicking this, you can sign into your account, input your number, your SIM details, and recharge it from here. Now, if you don't know the credentials for your account, or if you believe that this method is too troublesome, what I recommend is that you use the Claro Recarga app. So look for Claro Recarga by Claro Brazil, and just like the name of the app might suggest, this app allows you to recharge your SIM. So all that you have to do is download the application. You can choose from any of the options that they present and then input the amount. Once you choose one of the payment methods, such as a card, it is going to be made and you will have recharged your SIM related to Claro. Alternatively, the last option that I recommend is by dialing this number. So dial this /*1052#. Once you dial this number, you will get instructions on what to do. Follow the on-screen prompts, you will be able to check your balance, and the option to recharge your prepaid line is also going to appear. So in short, you can do it through the website, you can download the Claro Recarga app through the Play Store or the App Store, or you can dial this number. Any of these methods will give you the main options to recharge your Claro prepaid plan. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.